Now let's move on to a new directive called ngClick. Okay, we haven't discussed an example on that. Let's run this code. So here I have a password field and I'm entering something here. You don't see that. So when I click on it, it will show the password in a pop, right? We'll improve this code in the upcoming video. Now to understand that, first we need to know that ngClick is a directive. It allows you to specify custom behavior. That means you can write your own function on what to do when an element is clicked. So if we have an ng controller and this is my ng app, right? In the body I have an ng app and I have my controller at this point. In this I'm using an input field. So there is a model here and I'm putting it as a variable named password. This is a variable, so this can be anything, right? So I'll probably not use password because the type is password. When you say type is password and not text, if I say type is text, then you see whatever I type is revealed. So instead, if I say if it is a password and I save it, whatever I type in is not revealed, right? However, I should not have used the model name as password. Let me put it as password model. Okay, and I'll copy this, and wherever is I will be referring to, I will change that. So right now let it be here. We'll continue with this model, and then on ngClick we have calling of a function. You see that there is a function named display message and I'm passing the password, so I should probably pass the password model, right? So and then it will show up in the button. So when you click on this button, you have this directive ngClick which will call display message and it will take this password model to the script. Now whatever I receive in the script, here's my script where I'm declaring my app. Now this is a very convenient description of your Angular module named my app, and then you are using my app for the controller. I have been talking about method chaining in the previous two videos, and we'll talk more in level 2 or in our classroom courses or in recorded videos which is available on subscription. In that we'll talk more about this. But this is a very simple case and easy to understand right now. We have a my controller and this is the definition of your controller, right? The second parameter, an anonymous function, is the definition. Now for the controller, the first parameter has to be scope, but I'm passing another inbuilt object which you have as a dollar window. So I'm passing this dollar window parameter again, which allows you to use an alert on that. So you can have the display message. Now this is the function call. In that case, this function is called, it's a function, right? And then it will take the value, this same value as a password model, and then it will call the alert of our browser. That's it. So let me save and run it. So yeah, it does. So it is very clear that the change that I made here for password model works correctly.